Hello guys, in this video we are going to review the Nougat based ROM on MTK6582 devices, and I am using the Micromax Canvas A1, that is also known as Android 1 device, and it is also known as Sprout on developer side. And uh, and today we are going to see the features of Nougat on this device because it's a 2 years old device. And this Nougat is been on beta stage, and it's not quite stable enough for daily usage, and so I have stopped using this device before 1 year, and now recently I saw it has got some stable Nougat releases, so I'm going to see how's the performance on this device. And as far as the device goes, it's quite smooth. This ROM is quite smooth, and everything works on this ROM other than the camera. If you launch the camera, you can see it shows a camera error and it's not fixed yet. And this ROM is quite smooth and stable without any issue, and the calls get connected instantly. I'm calling one, and if you see, it gets connected.
Excel.
And the battery, as far as the battery goes, the battery is not so good because it's a 2 year old device. As you can see, I'm getting a screen time of 50 minutes, that's 48 minutes, and I charged this device 100%, and now it's 76. As you can see, it's only giving up to 48 minutes, and it's not quite good on 2017 standards, as all the phones we get have 4000 mAh batteries, but this phone only has 1750 mAh battery. And as far as the internal goes, this phone obviously runs on MTK6582, and it's quite good, and the RAM management is also quite decent. As you can see, we are getting about 380 MB of free RAM, and and I will talk about the kernel after some time. As you can see, all the sensors work properly, as the accelerometer, a magnetic field sensor, orientation and gyroscope light sensor, proximity, all works quite good. As you can see, the light sensor value changes as I block it, and and this ROM is paired with the latest kernel that is known as Darkone, and it is being developed by Varun Chitre, and who is a god of Android 1 on developer side. And this kernel is the updated version of the Thundersap kernel 5.2, and Thundersap kernel only supports up to Marshmallow, and this kernel is updated, and it also supports Nougat based ROMs. As you can see, this kernel is very efficient, and also it's quite snappy enough. As you can see, all cores are active, and it's very good. As you can see in the CPU section, it has various CPU governors, has ThunderX, hot plug, on demand user space, power space, interactive performance, and it is on version 1, so it's not uh, it does not have many features, as you can expect many features on the next builds. And it also has the thunder plug option, and it is developed by Varun Chitre. As you can see, there are many options on CPU thunder plug, and there are n number of options, and it also has vibration strength and dynamic fs and TCP congestion algorithm, and many more. As you can see in the devices, it's running on 7.1.2, that is the latest Android, and it is based on 14.1, that is Lineage OS 14.1, and it is compiled in the Linux version, that is 3.10.104, and it is compiled with the latest Linaro toolchain. As you can see, it also comes with the latest Google security patch. It is June 5, and it's also quite good, and we can also get the future updates from Lineage OS updates that is on top. Yes, it has, and it's quite snappy enough. And I have also installed the Substratum theme engine. As you can see, I have installed the Swift Black theme, and it looks quite good, and you can customize it any way you want, and everything is good except camera. I don't need camera because I don't use it. And for daily driver or the secondary device, or for doing some casual things, this device is quite good and smooth, and I'm quite happy with this ROM. That's all for this review, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, comment, and like. Okay guys, thank you.